those outdoor adventures. I got a new gun. It's coyote season, fox season, coon, bobcat, and I have a 223, but I had a 22 mag years ago. I sold it, and I wanted to get a new one. So I went down to the gun shop. They gave me a good deal on the Ruger American. I had to wait for this one to come in, ordered just how I wanted it. See what we got in here. The gun, magazine, a bolt, and a gun lock. That's all we need in there. Pull the gun out of here. This box out of the way too. So, this is the Ruger American Rimfire 22 mag. It's got the Go Wild stock, the bronze Cerakoting. It's got the thread-on muzzle brake. It just threads on 1/2 inch by 28. It's got the quad rail on top. Thumb safety right there. We got the nice trigger. It has a 9-round magazine, which fits flush in the bottom. Pop that right in there. Put it the right way, it helps. Lock this in here. There we go, that sits flush. Got a bolt lock right here. Pushes right in. Trigger's nice, pretty crisp. Got the adjustable cheek piece. This just comes out. Take the stud out the back, and that comes off, and I can put the shorter one on there for using open sights, but this is going to be scoped, so we don't need that. It's real lightweight. The whole thing doesn't weigh, only I think 5.2 pounds it says. That's with the magazine in there, but the scope will add another pound or so. And if you look, the barrel's got kind of a twist to it. That's real light, but you can't really see it in the video there. We're going to get a scope on this. I've got a few options laying around the house. Not sure what I'm going to put on yet. We'll get that sighted in, and I'm going to be out doing some coyote hunting real soon. It's trapping season. Got my traps waxed. I'm going to be getting those set out. This will be a good gun to carry on the trap line because it's nice and lightweight. Stay tuned. Hopefully we have some videos getting some predators down with us. Thanks a lot. And as you can see, the barrel is fully floated. Goes all the way down. Slides out. There's nothing to catch on the whole way in.